Can parents unintentionally disinherit their children in a will? If you're wondering how parents might accidentally leave their children out of their will, you're not alone. This situation can arise from several common mistakes that people make when planning their estates. One of the most straightforward ways this can happen is if parents fail to update their will after significant life changes. For example, if a parent remarries and has new children or adopts children, but doesn't update their will to include these new family members, the new children might be accidentally left out. This is because the old will might not account for the new family dynamics, and relying on the state to include these new beneficiaries can be risky. Another scenario involves joint accounts and beneficiary designations. If a parent opens joint accounts or names a new spouse as a beneficiary on accounts after remarrying, these assets will typically pass directly to the new spouse, bypassing the will. This can result in the children receiving much less than intended, as seen in cases where parents did not execute prenuptial agreements or update their wills to reflect these changes. Doing your own estate planning without professional advice is another common pitfall. State laws regarding estates and trusts can be complex, and DIY estate plans often miss critical details. For instance, failing to include children born after the will was made, or not updating beneficiary designations for life insurance policies and retirement accounts can lead to unintended disinheritance. Not having a will at all is perhaps the most significant mistake. Without a will, the state's intestacy laws will determine how the estate is distributed, which may not align with the parents' wishes. This can leave children with nothing or much less than they would have received if a proper will had been in place. Additionally, there's the issue of omitted child statutes. If a parent makes a will before having additional children, these children might be accidentally disinherited. Many states have laws to protect such children, allowing them to claim a share of the estate even if they were not mentioned in the will. Lastly, beneficiary designations can override will provisions. If these designations are not updated, they can lead to assets being distributed in ways that were not intended. For example, if a life insurance policy beneficiary is not updated after a divorce or remarriage, the wrong person might receive the benefits. In summary, parents can unintentionally disinherit their children through a variety of oversights and omissions in their estate planning. To avoid these issues, it's essential to work with a professional, keep the estate plan updated, and ensure all beneficiary designations are current.